Hi, I'm Dr. Cahoe from Allison Audiology, and if you're having Bluetooth connection issues with your hearing aids, try these tips. So the first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and unpair your hearing aids from your phone. So you'll go into the Settings app, scroll down to where it says Accessibility, scroll down to where it says Hearing Devices. Then you'll see your name, so you'll go ahead and click on your name, and then you'll scroll to the very bottom where it says Forget this device. Go ahead and click on Forget. Now it's searching, so what you'll want to do is you'll want to go ahead and turn your hearing aids off and back on by pressing that button until you see about 3 green flashes. Then you can let go. So now the hearing aids are off. Then you'll go ahead, press that same button until you see a single flash. There you go. Now they're turning back on. Now it has found the hearing aids. Now you want to go ahead and click on your name. It'll ask you to pair, and pair one more time. And now the hearing aids are paired to your phone again. The next step you'll want to take is go ahead and go into the Smart 3D app, and it'll ask you to turn the hearing aids off and back on again. So you want to press the Smart 3D app. It will find the hearing aids. Then it'll ask you to restart the hearing aids again. So once again, you want to hold those buttons down until you see the 3 green flashes. Then you can let go. And then you'll want to press and hold those buttons again until you see the single flash. That means they're on. Now if you'll just hit continue at the bottom, and now your hearing aids are paired to the app. If it gives you any prompts, you can go ahead and accept or deny those as you wish. And now if repairing the hearing aids to the phone does not help with the Bluetooth connection, the second thing that you'll want to do is go ahead and completely turn the phone off and back on. So if you have a newer iPhone, you would do that by holding the top button and the side button at the same time, pressing those together at the same time. That will completely turn the phone off. And then you would use those same buttons again to turn it back on. Secondly, if that does not help, then what you would want to do is go ahead and reinstall the app. So how to do that? You would go to the Smart 3D app, just press and hold the app. A screen should pop up and you would say remove app. You would want to say delete the app and delete. Now the app is deleted. Then you would go into your app store, re-download the app, and then reinstall the app to the phone. And hopefully after all of these steps are taken, you won't have any more Bluetooth connection problems. If not, please give us a call at Allison Audiology and we can certainly help you out. Thank you.